All right, it's time for another unboxing. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from Madera Green Moments. Welcome back to my channel. You may have seen in the last handful of videos or so that I have kind of changed locations a little bit. I'm trying to find the right spot, acoustics and aesthetics and I don't know, just trying to figure it out. So let me know in the comment section below if this is your favorite location so far. I kind of felt like my video Green Moment Monday on Monday was a little bit further away, like I was a little bit too far. I've got a couple different oil shelves and I don't know, I just feel like I was a little bit too far. My other one, I have another oil shelf over there. So trying to figure it out, let me know in the comment section below. But today is Essential Reward unboxing. This is my very first time not having to pay for shipping, although I did pay for the while ago. One of you gave me the most wonderful suggestion to just add up my shipping. What did I spend last year in the last 12 months on shipping? And I shared that photo on Insta Stories, so it's probably long gone now, but maybe I'll share it on Instagram. So if you're not following me over there, check it out. I post all things oils, puppies, all that good stuff. But yeah, I've got a whole bunch of stuff here I'm going to unbox and share with you what I ordered. So did you sign up for a while ago, or did you do the Plus? I figured the Plus wasn't a good value for me. The only thing was I thought I had placed more quick orders last year than I did. I only placed 3. So I'm thinking with the While Go, you get 13 orders for free, or included. So you're 12 ER and then 1 bonus, like quick order. So if I do 13 orders, then I just have to save all my points for 1 big order, or I could do like 2. Do the 13 and then just pay for 1. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I forgot what I ordered, so I'm excited to unbox it and share with you guys. This is the brand new supplement, I'll bring it in so you can see it, from Young Living called CardioGize. My family has a history of people who need to support their heart. This says it supports for healthy heart function and circulation. Definitely gonna talk to my doctor before I start taking these. And I'm also going to look into it for family members that maybe need to support their heart. It's just something I think we need to do in our family. So I don't know if it's genetic from dudes to women, but I know that a lot of dudes in our family need to support their heart better than they are. And so I got this definitely for them, but also for me if I need to be doing that too. All right, I need to take it out so that I don't unbox it a second time. I've missed this in my life. I shared with you guys my top favorite Young Living products and my top 5, and it was a collab with like 10 other YouTubers. Shared that with you. So I feel like there's a hair here. I shared it with you on Saturday, and it was really fun to share my top products. But one of my top products that I am obsessed with is Young Living skincare. Like, it has changed my skin. My skin used to be really dry and used to be really oily. I also used to break out a ton, and since using Young Living skincare, everything's just evened out. And so I'm extremely thankful that I've discovered this now that I have a preteen daughter, so she can use amazing products that hopefully will support her skin as she goes through her teen years. I wish I knew about this stuff back then. I could have really benefited from this stuff back then. So I got the toner. I haven't had this in a while. It's probably one of my favorite products from the skincare line. Oh, they've added like a sticker tab. It's hard to open. It's really, really nice. It's got essential oils in it. I wonder if it says on the side what kind. Peppermint, frankincense, green tea leaf extract, lavender, lemon, melissa. It's just really luxurious. It's so nice. Yeah, here's the toner. Smells amazing. If you haven't tried it, get the Art Skincare as your first skincare option. Do the toner, moisturizer, and the cleanser. That's kind of how I got my feet wet, and then I tried out some nicer products like the more expensive moisturizers, and you won't be sorry. You will not be sorry. I think I filmed recently a skincare video sharing with you guys my thoughts on all the different skincare, what I own, what I love. Not sure when that's coming out. If I can look it up, I'll put it here for you guys. I don't know what to do next. Okay, brand new product for the Maderos. I got the KidSense Bath Gel because my kids need bath gel. Yay! excited. Oh, it's sealed. I'm excited for them to have this. It's really mild. I don't smell anything. That's like really mild. Let me put on my skin here. Oh, it smells fresh. Yeah, it just smells like fresh bath gel. I thought it was going to be a little bit stronger than that. Kiwi, jojoba, grapefruit, cedarwood. Yeah, geranium. Okay, I'm excited to do this. What I'm going to do is get a foaming hand soap dispenser. I'm going to put in a couple squirts of this, the rest water, so that this will last us a long time. I do that with the Shoe Train body wash for me and my husband, and I love that in our shower, and so I'm going to do that for the kids, just so it lasts a lot longer. Because you know how kids can be really liberal with soap, and then all of a sudden this is gone. Got some tubes here. This is a good order. I love getting a good order, don't you? Sometimes it's more of a leaner order because all I'm getting is just a couple things, but this month, good stuff. Ooh, Christmas spirit. What happens is November hits and I want Christmas spirit all the time in the diffusers. I do love this all year round. In fact, after I start using it towards the Christmas season, it lingers and I want it all the time. And this summer I was diffusing Christmas spirit too, but I wanted to stock up, so I got two. Christmas spirit is a warm cinnamon wonderful blend, and I love it in the diffuser, it's really affordable too. This is only around $10, so it's a great diffuser blend if you're looking for one that's affordable. Put these here behind me. And I got Clove Vitality. I am pretty sure that's a promo because I have it and I don't need it, but I've got it. Let's see, this is empty. Another tube, which means there's oils in here. I don't remember what this is. Yes, I do. Yay! Did I order Digize? No, this must be a promo. We do use Digize quite a ton. Those of you that haven't used Digize before, I feel like I'm reaching really far because the camera's not right in front of my face. Digize is great to support your digestive system. Dilute it before applying it to your stomach. They also have a Vitality one, so you can use it internally, and we just put it underneath our tongue. It's really potent. But Digest and Cleanse is like Digize in a capsule, so if we need to take it in a capsule, that's what we do. We don't really make our own with it. But there's Digize. And then Progessence Plus, I unboxed this a couple months ago and shared with you I got it for my daughter. And every night when I tuck her in, she's putting on a little bit and then I put some on. And I wanted my own. My bottle is the old label, really rough, has like only a few drops in it. I thought I want the pretty bottle for my nightstand too, and I'm probably just gonna refill this with that one because it's looking a little rough. But this one looks really great. I'm excited about Progessence. It just makes me feel grounded, and I don't do it every day, but there are some days where I just feel like I need it. Other days I gravitate towards Shoe Train, and I know those are opposite ends of the spectrum, but I just listen to my body. Like this morning, I am covered in Shoe Train. I need that get up and go, and I'm on my second cup of coffee and it's not cutting it, and I'm like, I gotta film these videos, I need to get going. So I put on some Shoe Train. Progessence, we'll see. I just apply it when I feel like I need it. So let me know, is that how you apply your oils too? Do you just kind of know what you need? Or do you have like a routine? You put it on no matter what every day? I would love to know. Ooh, here we go. We've got a tube with something. Ah, Inner Defense. I was telling you guys that we don't live without Inner Defense in our family. My husband just recently took a trip to Washington, and what did I send him with? Ningxia Red, Nitro, and Inner Defense. I knew he was going to be eating fun food. I knew he wasn't going to be getting enough sleep, and I knew he needed to support his immune system. So I was like, if I send you with this stuff, will you take it? He's like, I'll take it, because normally when we're traveling, we're all together. And I said, when we travel, I just pack all the supplements and I just hand everybody their stuff. I'm like, here you go, take this, here's your Ningxia, take this. And everybody does, and nobody gives me a hard time, but I was like, I'll send it with you if you take it, because if you're not going to take it, I'm not going to send it, because I won't, it costs money, I want to keep it. So Inner Defense, it's a good one, if you don't own it already. And last but not least, we keep this in stock at our house, it is Ningxia Red. You guys are probably tired of hearing about it all the time, but Ningxia Red is a wolfberry drink. We drink 1 to 2 ounces every day. I keep these in stock in our house. I found a wine bottle holder to go in our cabinet, and it holds, I think, 6 bottles, and I got it at TJ Maxx. And so I've been keeping my Ningxia in there so I can kind of see how many do we have instead of it being far in the pantry and wondering how many are there so I can kind of see. I think there's only 3 bottles in there, and I'm like, oh, we don't want to run out, so I got 2 more. And yeah, so that's my order. Let me know in the comments down below, did you get YL Go or YL Go Plus? Let me know if you want to get your hands on any essential oils. There's a crazy deal going on right now. If you sign up and get a premium starter kit, it's 10% off. Young Living does not do this often, so if you've been dabbling or wondering if you want to get some essential oils, now's the time. Get yourself some essential oils and join our awesome team. Click the link down below. All right, guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.